Welcome again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now, Shibadoge holders are holding the Shibadoge coin more than even selling Shibadoge. You can see a lot of people actually purchased Shibadoge in the past few days, and so many of them are actually holding this coin for a longer period of time. You can see that Shibadoge market cap have actually gained more, at least over $25 million more has been added on Shibadoge market cap. And when you take a look at the trading volume and then the statistics of Shibadoge, you discover that the largest part of those that actually bought this coin and invested on Shibadoge actually wants to hold their coins. Everyone believes Shibadoge is the new Shiba Inu. So many people believe Shibadoge can delete between 1 or 2 zeros, and I believe, of course, yes, it's possible for Shibadoge to delete between even 1 to 5 zeros before the end of 2030. Now, remember, if Shibadoge deletes between 3, 4, or 5 zeros, with just $10 or $20 investment, you might become a millionaire with Shibadoge. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. And in case you want to invest on this coin, remember to invest what you can afford to lose. But the truth is, it's better to hold some coins than you don't even hold any coin. Everyone is trying to buy some coins. They believe anything might happen. This year, 2023, there might be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, or 6, or 7 coins that will be pumping this year. Every year, we always have new coins that pump. And then when you take a look at last year, you see what Vickpoint really pumped. And then 2020, late 2021, you saw Shiba Inu. And I believe 2023, everyone is talking about Shibadoge, everyone is talking about Tectonic token, everyone is talking about Fake token, and then Teruna Classic. And I believe one of these coins might be pumping so high this year. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please do not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Just buy and hold some or fewer of these coins. No matter how much you are trying to invest, the most important thing is that you're holding some of these coins. And I believe this year is going to be a bullish year for all crypto coins, especially Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin might be hitting back at its all-time price of 68,000. Now, I believe that Shibadoge might be deleting between 1 or 2 zeros this year. If the developers will keep on pushing, like now they said they will be getting Shibadoge to get partner or listed by top crypto exchanges like Bank, like Get.io, like Crypto.com. Imagine Shibadoge getting listed by these top exchanges, then Shibadoge definitely is going to pump. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.